Hello, guys. Welcome to my live section, guys. Welcome, guys, to my live section. How you guys doing today? Let's get straight to the business of the day, guys. Let's get straight to the business of the day. So last week, you can see I said I see expect price to drop last week, and I expect more buy from the dollar index. And you can see that price is currently still struggling around that weekly support area. So let's dive straight to the analysis of today. Let me give you the current update of what to expect from the market this week, guys. Let me give you current update of what we're expecting from the market this week. So how do you guys spend your weekend, guys? Hope you enjoy your weekend. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Welcome, guys, to my live section. Welcome, guys, to my live section, guys. Welcome to my live section. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. So let's dive straight to what we're expecting the market to do today. Let's dive straight to what we're expecting for the market to do today. Because the market has a lot to do this week. The market has a lot to do this week. So let's go straight to what we expect the market to do today. Because we're expecting a lot from the market this week. We're expecting a lot from the market this week, guys. We're expecting a lot from the market this week. So, guys, we're expecting a lot on the market this week. So we will start the analysis with the dollar index. Let's look at the weekly time frame of the dollar index. So on my weekly time frame on the dollar index, we can clearly see half price. You can clearly see we see half price. We see half price still having a bullish structure on the dollar index. So long we see how this bullish structure on the dollar index, we still expect price to what? To continue to push higher for the dollar index. So we expect price to push higher for the dollar index, guys. So you expect more bullish trend for the dollar index. So long we have this bullish structure, trading against the trend is not what I do. I don't trade against the trend. I always want to follow the higher time frame direction for me to keep my fund in a safe hand and also for a better future, guys. So let's go to on the weekly time frame. You can clearly see the price on the dollar index have a very strong bullish structure. So long you have this strong bullish structure, don't expect me to invest my money on selling the dollar. So if I'm selling the dollar, to be a very risky for me to sell the dollar. I won't encourage you guys to sell the dollar because we still have price still creating series of higher lows. So if you are selling dollar, you are doing it at your own risk. So I don't encourage you guys to sell the dollar, guys. I don't encourage you to sell the dollar. So I'll still be looking for a way to also do more of the buying of the dollar. I'll still be looking for a way to do more of the buying the dollar, guys. So if you're just joining me, guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're just joining me, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So I'll still be doing more of buying of dollar until I get my confirmation for me to join the buy. So I don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction. So the way I trade, it requires more patience, guys, because I do more of swing trading. So I don't want to go against the higher time frame direction. I don't want to go against the higher time frame direction. So I'll be patient to wait for a clear confirmation for me to sell. If I can see price confirm for the sale, I'll wait patiently for the sales opportunity. I don't want to go against the higher time frame direction. If I'm going against the higher time frame direction, I expect the market to collect my hard-earned money. So I don't want that. So I'll be waiting patiently for price to give me a confirmation for me to get a bullish trend for the dollar index. So I will be patient, guys. I will be patient. So we can see that we see our price currently on a weekly support. We see our price on this support area. They also have price on this support area. So long we have price on this support area, we don't expect any selling opportunity from this area. If we want to sell, we expect price to come to this area for us to want to look at for possible sell. So long price currently on this support area, I'm not expecting any sell opportunity on the dollar index. So guys, I'm not expecting any sell opportunity from dollar index. Then so long we see how this bullish structure, we need price to break above this high for us to resume the bullish trend for the dollar index to the top. So my scenario for the dollar index still remain bullish. I expect price to give me a confirmation for me to join the bullish trend on the dollar index. So guys, if you're just joining me, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're just joining us, please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel if you're just joining us. So we see expect more buying opportunity for the dollar index, guys. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we have price still find difficult to break this structural leg. So once we see price break this structural leg, the daily time frame might be switching back to the downtrend. So for now, we stay out of the dollar because we don't have a clear direction for us to make our decision. But if we can see price close above this level, the test, then we'll start looking for possible buying opportunity for the dollars to the top. So for now, we don't have any clear direction. We have to be patient and wait for that clear direction, guys. We have to be patient. So we don't need to risk our earned money. We have to be patient for price to give us a good setup for us to join the dollar for us to what to sell. So let's look at the next pair, which is the Gbpusd USD. So the Gbpusd USD, you can clearly see we have a ranging market condition on the Gbpusd USD. So long we have this ranging market condition, don't expect the pounds USD to don't expect any big move on the pounds USD, except to see a breakout before start looking for the big moves for the pounds USD. When we see a break below, start looking for the big sales for pounds USD. So for now, I'm still not having any clear direction for pounds USD. So if you are selling the pounds USD for now, trust me, you are just risking your hard-earned money. Or if you are buying, you are risking your hard-earned money. Wait for clearer confirmation for you to take advantage on the sales on the pounds USD. Wait for clearer confirmation for you to take advantage of the sales on the pounds USD. If you are selling and you are buying, you are risking your hard-earned money. Just be patient and wait for that clear confirmation. Once you have the clear confirmation, we start looking for our sales opportunity on the pounds USD or the buying opportunity on the pounds USD. So for now, we remain neutral on the pounds USD. Let's continue with analysis. So we still expect the pounds USD. We still expect more. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we're currently on a range on the daily time frame also, but we have some inner structural movement on the daily time frame, which we now have this higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So this series of higher low indicate a bullish trend for the lower time frame, which is from the 1 hour time frame and the 30 minutes time frame. You can get a good trend from for this kind of small movement. But if you are trading the 4 hour time frame and the weekly time and daily time frame, forget about trading the pounds USD for now because you won't have a clear trend for you to take advantage of this market condition. You won't have a clear trend. Let's look at the 4 hour time frame, see what I'm telling you. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see that we also don't have a clear movement. You can see that we have too many shopping markets. You can see we have too many shopping markets. But if you go more lower to the lower time frame, see that we have a clearer buying opportunity. But for now, we have to wait patiently for a clearer buying opportunity for us to make our decision. We don't want to trade against the trend of the market. We want to wait for a clearer buying opportunity. We want to wait for a clearer buying opportunity for us to make our decision. We must get that clearer buying opportunity before making our decision. So we want to wait for a clearer buying opportunity for us to make our decision. So we can't join the sales for now, can't join the buys for now. So we'll be neutral on the pounds USD. We'll be fully neutral on the pounds USD. We'll be neutral on the pounds USD. So let's be patient, guys. Let's be patient. So let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the next pair, which is the which is the Euro USD. Let's start from the weekly time frame. So Euro USD on my weekly time frame, you can clearly see we still don't have a clearer picture on the weekly time frame yet, but we have price creating higher high, then a lower high, and a series of lower high, lower high. So this is downtrend structure. So long we have this downtrend structure, we need price to give us a clear movement, guys. So we need price to give us a series of lower highs from the lower time frame for us to sell. So because we still have this support at this area, so we need price to break below, retest this level, then we start looking for more selling opportunity. For the buying opportunity, we need price to take out all these levels, then we wait for a series of higher low for us to buy to the top. So for Euro for now, we are looking for selling opportunity on the Euro USD. We are looking for selling opportunity on Euro USD because we have this downtrend structure. So long we have this downtrend structure, our aim is to look at for more of the selling opportunity on Euro USD. So the weekly is very clear for downtrend. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you can clearly see we have a bullish structure, which is have this lower low, then higher low, and higher low. So we need price to give us a clear confirmation for a series of lower highs for us to join the sales. So once we can get the confirmation, we start looking for possible sell for euro. So for now, we cannot sell euro or buy euro, because if you are buying from this current level, these are resistance areas which might lead to a trap. You are buying from these areas, these levels might be resistance. These are all resistance level, which is a trap for you to put your hard money to buy from this such level. So I don't encourage you guys to buy from euro from that such level. So any minute, any moment, price can change direction from that resistance level. If you can see price break above these resistance areas, then we'll start looking for possible buying opportunities. So for now, I cannot buy euro from this current level. I'll be looking for sell instead of buy. So I wait for price to give me series of lower highs for me to sell the euro to the downside. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we also still have its uptrend structure. We also need a series of lower highs for us to join the sets for euro to the downside. So we have to be patient and wait for that confirmation. There's no need to rush. We have to be patient. I always want to follow the higher time frame direction. I don't need to rush. I always want to follow the higher time frame direction, because we are trading against the trend of the market. That will be deadly, guys. We are trading against the trend of the market. That will be deadly. That will be deadly. So mostly the higher time frame direction. It's very risky trading against the higher time frame direction. So I don't encourage you guys to trade against the higher time frame direction. I don't encourage you guys to trade against the higher time frame direction. So we see expect price to drop on Euro USD. We see expect price to drop on Euro USD, but we need a series of lower highs for me to us to make that decision. If you're not joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you're joining us. So we need a series of lower highs for us to expect the sell on Euro USD. Once we get a confirmation, we're selling the Euro USD to the downside. Once we get a confirmation. So price, we have to be patient. For that confirmation, we have to be patient. There's no need for us to rush. We have to patiently wait for that confirmation. Let's look at the next pair. So which is the Australia USD. Australia USD on my weekly time frame, you can clearly see we have a bullish structure. We have a series of higher lows. So long we have this bullish structure, expect more buy on the Australia USD. But currently we have price on this resistance area. So buying from this resistance area is not advisable. So that is why I'm out of Australia USD. If not, I should have been on this Australia USD buy, which is a very good setup. So that I don't like trading on a resistance, unlike buying on a resistance area. So that was the reason I never took this trade. So I need a clear price above the resistance for me to join the buys on Australia USD. So you can see that we have a clear picture of price now. Price is about to break this daily structural level. Once we can see price break above, then wait for a test. Then we start looking for the buys for the Australia. So our scenario for Australia still remain bullish, but we need price to clear out all these weekly levels. So we need price to clear out all these weekly resistance level. Then a retest of it, we start looking for the buy to the top. We expect a strong buy on the Australia price. You see expect a strong buy on the Australia USD. You see expect a strong buy for the Australia USD. So you see expect more buys on Australia USD, guys. Expect more buys. But don't trade against the market direction. Australia USD remain bullish, so we have to look at some bullish move on Australia USD. So let's look at the next pair, which is the USD GPY. So USD GPY, you can clearly see from my weekly time frame that we see have a series of higher low. So long we have this series of higher low, this is a bullish structure. So our aim is to look at for more of the buying opportunity on the USD GPY. So with our buy target at this resistance area, so we can't sell this current market condition. We have to wait for price to give us a clear confirmation for us to join the buys to the top. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame now, we have to look at for more of the buying opportunity on the USD JPY. You can clearly see we have a bullish structure already. We have this higher low, lower low, higher low, and higher low. So expect a confirmation for us to join the USD JPY buy to the top. We're expecting a confirmation. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see we have price secreting series of higher low. So we expect a break above this range, then we'll start looking for our buy to the top on the USDPY with our target at this resistance area. So I'll be looking for buy on USDJPY, guys. I'll be looking to buy the USDJPY. So USDJPY is clear trend for us to take advantage of this week. So we have to look out for buys on the USDJPY, guys. We have to look out for buys on USDJPYs. So guys, if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So we have to look out for more buys on USDJPY. Look out for more buys on the USDJPY, guys. Look out for more buys on USDJPY. So look out for more buys, guys, on USDJPY. So we don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction. That's why we are buying USDJPY. So take advantage of buys position on USDJPY. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient. We have to be patient. We have to be patient. Let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the next pair. Let's look at the next pair, which is gold. So my scenario for gold, we still have a bearish structure on gold on the weekly time frame. So long we have this bearish structure on gold on the weekly time frame, we cannot buy for now. You can see we have price secreting this lower high, lower high, lower high. So long we have this strong bearish structure, we cannot buy good for now. We have to follow the higher time frame trend direction. So we expect price to give us a good structure, guys. We expect price to give us a good structure for us to buy, for us to sell the gold, guys. We need price to give us a good structure for us to sell the gold. We don't want to trade against the trend of the market. We don't want to trade against the trend of the market. We need price to give us a good structure for us to sell gold on the lower time frame. Because on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see we still have a strong bullish structure. So long we have a strong bullish structure, expect price to continue to drop. It will require a long time, but expect price to drop on gold. So long we have the bullish structure on gold, expect price to what? The bearish structure on gold, expect price to drop. I'm currently buying the USD JPY. That's why I'm kind of skipping on what I'm saying. I'm currently buying the USD JPY. I don't want to miss this opportunity. USD JPY is a good buy. So that is why I'm buying the USD JPY. Um, so this will be my first trade of the week. This is the USD JPY. Will be my first trade of the week. So I have to take advantage of what I saw on the market. I don't want to trade against the market direction. how to take advantage of what I saw on the market. So I place the trade on my three accounts. So I have to also send this trade to my VIP group also. I have to also send this USGPY to my VIP group also. Let's go back to the USGPY. So I have to also send this trade to my VIP group. So USGPY is a good pair to trade today. So let me post it on my VIP group. Those who want to take advantage, please apply proper risk management. So apply proper risk management, guys. If you want to trade this particular trade, apply proper risk management. And also take this trade at your own risk. Apply proper risk management. So, but I still believe price will move to my direction on this pair. So I expect price to move to my direction on this pair, guys. But apply proper risk management on this. Apply proper risk management on this. Apply proper risk management, guys. So I was patiently waiting for a good setup to trade. And once I see my good setup, I don't ignore them. I trade them. So apply proper risk management, guys. So I just bought the USGPY. So I'll be holding this trade for long with my proper risk management. So I'm not afraid. I'm confident about this trade. So let's go to the gold USD. So the gold USD on the weekly time frame, can clearly see we have this lower high. Then, so long we have this series of lower high, we still expect price to continue to drop on gold USD on the weekly time frame. So with our first target to be this support area and this support area, then a break of this support area will trigger more sell to this support area. So that is for gold. Let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame now, we can clearly see that we see how is price breakout of this area. They will now have higher low, and higher low. So we expect price to give us a series of lower highs for us to join the good sell. So we need price to give us a series of lower highs for us to join the good sell with our first target of this area. Then break, we still expect more drop for gold to the downside. So we see expect price to give us a good setup, guys. We expect price to give us a good setup before making our decision. So we have to be patient. Patient is all we need, guys. Patience is all we need. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can clearly see that we have price break this neck already. Then we need price to break this structural leg, which is we expect price to drop, retest, then we start looking for possible sell. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient. We have to look out for more sales on gold, guys. This week, we have to look out for more sales on gold. So let's look at BTC USD. So BTC USD on the weekly time frame, you can clearly see price is still remain on a support level. We need price to break out for us to sell. So we need price to move to this resistance for us to sell, because we still have a series of lower highs on the BTC USD. So long we have this series of lower highs, expect more drop on BTC USD. So we have to be patient for price to give us a clear confirmation for us to make our decision on BTC. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we have price shopping. We have a shopping market condition on BTC. So we need a clear break for us to join the sales on BTC. So we don't want to trade from that particular support level. We can't sell from that support level. We need price to break below that support level for making our decision on BTC USD. So let's look at the next pair, which is CAD USD. So on the CAD USD, we can see we have this lower low, higher low, then higher low. So we expect more buys on the CAD, but for sell signal, we need price to break this low for us to join the CAD for sell. So our scenario for CAD remain bullish. We see remain bullish on the CAD USD. Look at the monthly time frame of the CAD USD. Price is currently retesting this previous resistance level. So after the retest, we see price bouncing back to this level and this area. So we see remain bullish on the card USD. See expect more bullish movement on the card USD. We can't trade against the higher time frame direction. So we have to be patient and wait for price to move to our direction. We don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction, because if you are trading against the higher time frame direction, you will lose your hard-earned money. I don't want to make that mistake. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame now, we can see we have series of lower highs on the daily time frame, series of lower highs. So long we have the series of lower highs on daily time frame, expect price to give us a series of higher lows for us to join the bias on the USD card to the top. We don't want to trade against the major market direction. So once we get the series of higher lows, we start looking for buys on USD card. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, 4-hour time frame can see have a very structured trend. So long as we have this bearish trend, don't expect any buys on USD card yet. We need price to give us a series of higher lows for us to join the buys on USD card. So you have to be patient. Don't jump in. Don't rush. You have to be patient, guys. You have to be patient. So let's look at the next pair, which is the USD, the US30. So US30 on my weekly time frame, you can clearly see we still have price. Bullish, we can see we see a series of higher low, higher low, and higher low. So long we have this bullish structure, our aim is to look out for more buy, guys. Expect price to reject from this support, then we'll start looking for buy to the top. Then let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that we also have a bullish structure already. So we need price to react to this weekly level, then we'll start looking for the buy to the top. So our scenario for US30 remain bullish. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we need price to come to this level, then give us a series of higher lows for us to join the buy to the top. So we don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction. So we have to be patient and wait for clearer structure for us to join the buy. We have to be patient. Patient is all you need, guys. Patient is all you need. So let's look at the CHF. CHF, we still have a bullish structure on CHF. We can see we have this lower low, then higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. So long we have this bullish structure, we expect more buys on USD CHF. So we expect price to continue to push higher on USD CHF with our first target, this resistance, second target, and this resistance. So we don't want to trade against the higher time frame trend direction. We have to follow the trend. So on the daily time frame now, you can see we also have a bullish structure, but we see our price having difficult to break this resistance area. So we expect price to break, then we start looking for buy to the top. A break of this resistance will trigger our buy, guys. So we have to be patient and wait for price to break that resistance for us to join the buys on the USD CHF. So let's look at the next pair, which is the USD Euro JPY. Euro JPY still remain. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Price still remains sideways on Euro JPY. We don't have a clear direction. So we need a clear direction for us to we need a clear direction for us to buy or sell the Euro JPY. So we don't have a clearer direction, guys. So we don't have a clearer direction. Once we get the clear direction, we're making our decision for the buy or the sell on the Euro JPY. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient. We have to be patient. So let's look at the next pair, which is the pounds JPY. Still remain bullish. You can see we have a bullish structure already. As long as we have this bullish structure, we have to look at more buys for the pounds JPY. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, price already started to move. You can see we have good price entry at this area. Last week, price already moving. So expect more buy to the top with our first targets at the weekly resistance level. So let's look at the back to week time frame. So our first target on the weekly will be this resistance area. So we expect more buy to the top for the pounds JPY. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we also see that we also have clear picture of buys. So expect more buy, guys. Expect more buy to the top. Expect more buy to the top. Expect more buy to the top, guys. So don't want to trade against the higher time frame direction. Expect more buy to the top. So we have the pounds Australia. So pound Australia, we can see we still have don't have clear trend yet, so we have to stay out of this one, or because we don't have a clear trend. We have the pound card. Pound card is remain bullish, but we need a confirmation for us to join the buys. Let's look at the daily time frame. So in daily time frame, we need price to take above this high, start looking for buy. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, you can see we need a series of high low for us to join the buy. So pound cards remain bullish, guys. We don't have a clear picture to enter the trade, alright? So once you get the clear picture to enter the trade, we'll update you guys. You can also join my live tomorrow. I'm also hosting my live session tomorrow, so you can take advantage and join my live session tomorrow, guys. Join the live session tomorrow. So let's look at the Euro Australia. So Euro Australia, you can see we still have a bearish trend on Euro Australia. So we see expect price to what to drop on Euro Australia. Then let's look at the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, you see expect price to what to continue to what to drop. So expect price to continue to drop. So expect price to continue to drop. Let's look at the Euro card on the weekly time frame. Let's look at the weekly time frame. So Euro card on the weekly time frame, you can see we have we need price to give us a series of higher low and series of low highs for us to make our decision. So we don't have a clear movement yet. So once we get the clear picture, we start looking for the card. So we have a good pair at hand here also. We have the Euro pounds. You can see we have a series of lower highs, which indicate we expect price to drop to this area. We expect price to drop to this area. So expect more drop. So long we have a series of lower highs, expect more drop. Then with our targets, our first target will be this level. So let's look at the daily time frame. So on daily time frame now, we can see we have the lower high. So we need to share confirmation for the trend to set this target. So we'll be having that confirmation this week. Once I get that confirmation, I will update you guys. So I will follow up with this pair for me if I can get confirmation for me to sell the Euro pounds. Just so let's look at the next pair, which is the Euro CHF. So Euro CHF, you can see we have bullish structure on the daily. So on the weekly, we also have bullish structure. So we have price. We need price to continue to push higher. So price has hit our target where we predicted price to hit last week, which is this level. So, but we have another level of area of interest now, where we expect price to react to for buying opportunity. So you can see price react to this area. We start looking for buy to the top. With the next target to be this region. So that is for Euro CHF. So you have to be patient, guys, for price to react to this area for us to join the buy to the top. Let's look at the next pair, CHF. So expect price to retest this zone. Then we'll start looking for more buy. Expect price to retest. Then we'll start looking for more buy with our target. Our target will be this resistance area. So CHF remain bullish. Let's look at the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, you have to be patient with the price to retest this level. Once price retests this weekly support level, we start buying to this target. So we have to be patient, guys. So if you are not joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel if you are not joining us. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel if you are joining us. Subscribe, guys, to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. So thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing. So we expect a retest on the before start looking for the buy. So let's look at the next pair, which is the Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand don't have a clear picture yet. Once we see the clear picture on New Zealand, we join the sell or the buy. So let's look at pounds New Zealand still don't have a clear picture. So once we get the clear picture, we join in the buy. Then let's look at New Zealand USD. You can see we still have a sideways trend. We don't have a clearer picture also. So we have to be patient and wait for a better opportunity to make our decision. So we are still currently on we have a buying opportunity on the USD JPY. So we have to look out for more buys on USD JPY this week. So we have to look out for more buys on USD JPY this week. So if you are joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. So our best pair we pick today is the USD JPY. So we are buying USD JPY currently. We are currently buying the USD JPY. So we are currently buying the USD JPY. We are currently buying the USD JPY. So if you are joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. So we stay live here and trade the USD JPY in the next hours. So we are trading USD JPY into the US section. Please guys, please do to like and subscribe to the channel if you are joining us. So we're holding the USD JPY by throughout the day, guys. We're holding our buys on USGPY. So that is the only pair we are currently trading now. Come here, let me fix this my. So guys, expect strong buy, guys. Expect strong buys. Price is currently pushing. So we are in profit. We are in profit, guys. We are in profit. We are in profit. So if you are joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do to like and subscribe. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel. We still expect more buy, guys. We expect price to continue to push higher. We expect price to continue to push higher, guys. expect price to continue to push higher, guys. Expect price to continue to push higher. So we have to be patient and stick to our trade plan. We have to be patient and stick to our trade plan. So patience is key, guys. All you need is patience. All you need is patience. Patience is key, guys. All you need is patience. So we have to be patient and consistent with our trade plan. You have to be patient, guys. You have to be patient. You have to be patient. So there's no need, there's no cause for alarm. No cause for alarm. No cause for alarm. We have to be patient. So all you need, guys, you have to avoid trading against the market major direction. Avoid it, and you see yourself making profit at the end of the month. Trading is all about long term, not short term. I don't scalp. I don't also scalp. I focus on more on the higher time frame direction. So I will encourage you to trade against the higher time frame direction. Focus more on the buying of in the higher time frame direction and focus more on selling on the higher time frame direction. Don't trade against the higher time frame direction. If you are trading the 4 hour time frame, if you are trading the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame, you have to focus your attention more on the higher time frame direction. But if you are trading the 1 hour time frame and you are trading the 30 minutes time frame, 15 minutes time frame, 5 minutes, 1 minute time frame, you have to focus attention on the daily time frame because you are scalping. You have to know the daily bias of where the market is going that day. But if you are trading the 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame for swing traders, so you have to know the higher time frame direction, which is the monthly, the weekly, daily. So that is why I focus more of my attention on the higher time because I do more of the higher time frame bias. I trade more of the higher time frame. So trading is all about patience. Trading is all about patience. Trading is all about patience. Don't trade against the higher time frame. So hopefully this trade might last up to 1 week. This might buy on this trade might last up to 1 week. Because throughout this week I'm holding this buy, this USD JPY buy throughout this week. I'm holding this buy. So throughout this week I'm holding this buy. So if you can hold this buy and make over $200, I'll be very happy. So $200 is a big amount for me. So hopefully I'm believing this trade to give me that target. So there's no need to rush, there's no need to take high risk. Just go for a lower risk and higher return. So don't risk more than what you can lose. Follow proper risk management plan and stick to your trade plan. So I'm also waiting for other confirmation. I'm waiting for euro sales. I'm waiting for gold sales. So this week I'm patiently waiting for those confirmation. Patiently waiting for those confirmation. I don't want to trade against the higher time frame. You can see we are currently in profit. I took this trade on this live section and we are currently in profit. So this trade might last up to 1 week. This particular trade might last up to 1 week. So we have to stick to the trade plan and focus more. So long the weekly support this move, daily support the move. Expect the strong buy from this particular trade. Expect strong buy, guys. Expect strong buy this week on this particular trade. So this is my best pick up for today. This is my best pick, guys. So if you're not joining us, guys, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please support the growth of this channel, guys. Please support the growth of the channel. Please do it to like and support the growth of this channel, guys. Support the growth of this channel, guys. Support the growth of the channel. For the growth of the channel, guys. So if you have any question, please do it to leave your question in the chat box. Leave your questions in the chat box. If you have any question, leave it in the chat box, guys. If you have any question, please leave your questions in the chat box. Please leave your questions in the chat box. If you have any question, leave it in the chat box. So if you have any question, leave it in the chat box, guys. So guys, patience is key. Let's continue to hold this trade. Let's continue to hold this trade on the buy. So let's continue to hold our buys on this particular trade. So patience is key, guys. So let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. Let's keep it rolling. So we have to wait for confirmation for us to sell euro. So once we get the confirmation, we update you guys. Once we get the confirmation on euro, we update you. So we need a series of lower highs for us to sell euro. We need price to give us a series of lower highs for us to sell euro. So once we get the confirmation, we'll be selling euro to the downside. So my scenario for this week for euro still remain bearish. My scenario for gold also still remain bearish. I expect series of lower highs for me to sell. I expect series of lower highs for me to sell. So I don't want to take chances. I want to really focus on the higher time frame direction. So patience is key, guys. If you are joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So we have to wait for that confirmation for us to join good sales. I'm reporting a situation on my account to my bank. I had two debits alert today that I didn't plan for. It was a scam debit alert. I don't know how those guys have access to my account and debit me twice. After I made the purchase from one particular shop last week, when I was coming back from the gym. So those guys, I don't know how they get access to my account. After then, they'll be disturbing my account. So I supposed to go to the bank this morning to report the situation, but I'm contacting my bank now. So this is scam. I bought something from this shop. Just funny, guys. So let's continue with what we are doing here. If you have any question, please do it to ask your question in the chat box below. If you are just joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please, guys, do it to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Support the growth of my channel, guys. Support the growth of my channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please support the growth of my channel. So we have to be patient, guys. We have to be patient. We have to be patient. Price is also moving clearly to our direction. We are in profit on the USD JPY. We are in good profit on that. So this is only better setup we see today. So that is why I'm trading this pair. That's really better setup I see today. So I have to take advantage of it and hold it to the end, guys. And price is really moving to our direction. That's a sweet move from. That's a sweet move, guys, from the USD JPY. That is a sweet move. Please, guys, if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm always live here Monday to Friday. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Do it to like and subscribe to the channel. subscribe to my channel, guys. I'm most likely on Monday to Friday. Please do well to like and subscribe to the channel. Let's support the growth of the channel, guys. So please support the growth of the channel, guys. Let's support the growth of the channel, guys. Please support the growth of the channel, guys. I'm also looking for buying opportunity on USD share. Once I get the clear confirmation, I'll be buying USD share. So let's continue to buy USD GPY. So if you're joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do to like and subscribe to the channel if you're joining us. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Let's keep USD GPY buying rolling. So we are holding this trade for weeks. Let's see if price might take up to 2 weeks, 1 week for price to get to this resistance. Price might take up to 1 week. Let's see how it goes. So we have to do more of the buying, guys. So please, if you are just joining us, please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. So patience is key, guys. Patience is key. So please do to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. If you have any question, please leave a question in the chat box below. you are joining me on the USD GPY buy, please apply proper risk management. Apply proper risk management to your trade. Don't over leverage. Apply proper risk management to your trade. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel, guys. If you're not joining us, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. It's way to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be right back. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll be right back. Hello guys, I'm back. I'm back. So let's look at how the market is. The price is low. So we are still holding on our USGPY for the buys. So price is still finding difficult to move, but we are still in profit. But we need more profit, guys. We need more profits for this pair. We need price to move massively. If you have any question, please wait to ask your question in the chat box. If you have joined us, please wait to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Please wait to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Guys, let's continue with the market movement. So price is doing well. Market is doing well, guys. So expect more buys, guys. Expect more movement. Please, if you're joining us, please go to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to the channel, guys. Hopefully, we expect price to move more this week on USD. Hopefully, we see expect price to move well. Let's look at the Euro USD. Euro is dropping gradually. Euro is dropping gradually. Let's be patient. Once we get our confirmation on Euro, we make our decision. Gold is still buying. All right. So CHF is getting set for buy. CHF is getting set for buy. So we might be looking for buying opportunity on CHF. Please, if you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. So CHF is getting set for buy. So we are still holding our USD JPY. So we see our buys on USD JPY. So that's the only pair that's okay to trade today based on my trading plan and analysis. Based on my trading plan, USD JPY is the only pair that is okay to trade today. So let's keep buying, guys. Let's keep holding our buying. If you're joining us, please do it to like and subscribe to the channel, guys. Please do it to like and subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you're joining us. Thank you, guys, for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing, guys. Thank you for subscribing. If you have any question, please do it to ask your questions. Do it to ask your questions. If you have any question, please do it to ask your questions. And don't forget to like the live. Don't forget to like the live. Let's keep it rolling, guys. We are still holding our buys. So hopefully this period might take up to a week or 2 weeks for price to hit our target. Oh God. Thank you, Jesus. So guys, I will end the live. Then come back later in the evening.